If your wish is to finally understand and speak English, you are in the right place. This is a very slow English story for beginners. In every episode, you will learn useful words, natural phrases, and real-life English you can use every day. Just relax, listen, and enjoy learning with us. Let's begin.
It still feels strange to say this out loud, but I live here now.
Yeah? It still does not feel real?
Not really. A week ago, I was in a big city, surrounded by traffic and noise. Now I wake up and hear the ocean every morning.
That is a pretty big change.
It is. I needed it, though. The city was just too much for me. I felt tired all the time, even on weekends.
Burned out?
Yes, exactly. Burned out. Work, deadlines, constant pressure. I just wanted to start over, somewhere calmer.
That makes sense. A lot of people come here for that reason. This island really slows you down.
I hope so. I want to learn how to relax again.
You will. It just takes a little time. When I first came here, I did not know how to stop working.
You are not from here either?
No, I am not. I have been moving around for years. I work online, so I can live almost anywhere.
So you are one of those digital nomads.
Yeah, I guess so. When I found this place, I thought, why not stay for a while? And I never really left.
I can see why. It is hard to beat this view.
Exactly. Hard to beat means it is difficult to find something better.
I like that expression. I want to learn more phrases like that.
You are doing great already.
Thanks. Sometimes I still feel nervous speaking English all the time.
Do not worry. You will fit right in.
Fit right in?
It means you will feel comfortable here, like you belong.
I hope so. I was a little scared to move here alone.
That is brave, though. Not everyone would do that.
Maybe. Or maybe I just needed a change that badly.
Sometimes that is enough. And honestly, I think this place suits you.
Suits me?
Yes, you seem calmer here already. More relaxed.
Maybe it is the ocean. Or maybe it is just the feeling that I finally did something for myself.
That is a good feeling to have.
Yes, it is.
So, have you explored much yet? Or are you still settling in?
I am still figuring things out. I did not even know the best places to go yet.
Well, if you want, I can show you around sometime.
I would like that.
No rush. We have plenty of time.
That is what I like about this place. For the first time in a long time, I do not feel in a hurry.